Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko na reaction video ang Barda compilation because hindi pa tayo tapos. Hindi pa talaga tayo tapos. Alam mo, isa lang talaga ang masasabi ko. Confirm talaga. Natatalinuhan talaga ako kay Barbie. The way she answered. Kasi ito yung era na to na puro interview siya eh. Na interview alone, without David. Interview with her perspective in life. Interview with her, how do I say this? Basta interview na may sense, may substance. But I am not saying naman na walang substance ang interview niya before together with what you call this, with David. I am not saying that. Pero before kasi iba yun eh. They talk about their love teams eh. So puro pakilig. Diba? Puro something like, I don't want to say this, but a fan service. Puro fan service. Pero kasi sa action nila, hindi talaga fan service eh. They are beyond. Totoo lang, ibang-iba sila. Pinasobrahan pa nila yung totoong magjowa sa totoo lang. Pero yun na nga, doon na nga tayo na parang itong era na to ni Barbie na puro interview siya, may mga advocacy siya, about self-love ang sinasabi niya. Na parang dito ko talaga nilas niya, ay, ang talino pala talaga ni Barbie. Kasi before, never ko siya nakita na ganito sumagot. Doon kay Karen Davila lang ata, yung kay Luis Manzano, medyo plinay-time niya din doon, di ba? So parang hindi mo talaga makikita ang essence or substance. Pero sa mga ganitong klaseng interview, malalaman mo talaga, and sa mga lately na interview, may substance talaga siya and matalino talaga siya magsalita. So without further ado, let's start this.
I avoid competition. I only take what's meant for me. Iniisip ko na
Totoo.
so, of competition,
Totoo.
Kaakibat niya to pressure eh. Parang yun yung ayokong ibigay sa sarili ko kasi I really want to enjoy my journey.
Totoo. Diba?
To do a lot with
This one, they really caught my attention here. Ibang-iba dito si Barbie.
what goes around comes around. Ipaglalaban ako. Not
Totoo.
to prevent, but more of para sa
Improvement ko na lang po. Totoo. Parang sinabi niya dito na parang magmo-move on ako, although, or pipiliin ko maging masaya para na lang sa sarili ko. Something like that. Kasi 7 years of relationship with Jack Roberto is not a joke. Diba? They built a foundation. They built a dreams together. Parang, yun na ngayon, parang baka marami kasi magsabi, or mga basher kasi magsabi na, ang bilis naman makamove on ni Barbie, nag-entertain agad, kaya may overlapping, mga ganun yung sinasabi nila, tapos si David yung sinasala nila, na kaya nag-break and everything. Actually, it's not. Pinili niyang maging masaya at magpatawad at mag-move on because for herself. Because gusto niyang maging masaya siya. Kasi totoo din naman, di ba? O hindi ka mag-move on, ang sarili mo yung pinapasuffer mo. Totoo, sa sarili mong pinapasuffer mo.
masyado siyang dark.
Di ba?
Dark, masayahin ko naman.
At naubo tayo for today's video.
I am overwhelmed with gratitude. Parang I don't have a right to be lonely. Kasi parang life has been showering me with blessings and good people to be around with. Napakasaya ko po.
Napakasaya ko po. That's the
because I appreciate the people around me more now and mas marami akong nadidiscover about myself.
Yes.
I'm really happy na I get to spend time with myself. I get to do things on my own. Mas nagiging mas outgoing ako ngayon. Just enjoying life. Maybe now, I realize it's not about being ready to be in love or to fall in love again. It's really fully loving yourself first. Kasi feeling ko naman, pag nasa tamang posisyon ka na sa buhay, the right person will attract. Parang makaka-attract ka ng tamang tao.
Exactly.
I'm not pushing myself to be ready. I'm really just enjoying. So proud.
Exactly.
Parang
I love that. Love it for her. So true.
sabi ko na
I love it for her. Just,
Yan ang mantra.
what's
and
next?
then, it was also challenging for me doing P77 because I was also
Tsaka ang
doing
busy niya, no?
at the time. And my
Ang
other
busy
thing
niya.
was the Academy, which was straight up comedy naman. So I was doing a war project, I'm doing a horror film, and a comedy film.
Oh.
Really care if you're not coming out tonight. If you wanna stay with me, we can both call it a night. Tahimik ang paligid, pwede tayo ang magingay. Liwanag ang sasalubong sa katawang nagkaimlay.
Ay. Ganun ko talaga dapat yan, ma'am.
O nagkataon naman, nasabay kayong single. No?
Atake. Atake talaga to. Atake talaga tong tanong na to, sa totoo lang.
Yun siguro po yung level of care and yung support, ganyan. Pero bukod po doon, I think David is really good person to be around with. And
True.
he's really good with advices.
So ano kayong advice niya sa'yo? Or pinalo mo ba yung advice niya?
Pinalo mo ba advice? Gusto ko talaga to eh.
And to really
Ang galing niyang magsalita. Softer.
May advice ba si David sa'yo? Like, healing a broken heart, moving
Ay.
on?
Taray.
Diba? Siguro payaman ka muna.
Payaman ka muna. Oh, very Chinese.
Man.
Sino mas mayaman sa inyo?
Oh, ganyan.
Very Chinese.
Love na yan later on, payaman muna tayo.
Actually, more than love advice, ang mga nakukuha ko talaga sa kanya, advice about starting a business. He really wants me
He really
to,
has business acumen.
yes, explore na mag-business.
Explore.
Mas yun talaga siya.
So talagang friendship, walang mali siya at all.
Wala po. But you really do care for each other. So,
Ay,
Yeah, it's true.
yan yung sinasabi ko eh. We really do care for each other eh. Ay, atake. Grabe yung hug pala dyan eh. Grabe yung hug nila dyan. Grabe yung hug nila dyan, no? Ibang-iba yung hug nila dyan, mami. Atake sila dyan. Sa totoo lang. Ay. Gwapo ni David.
Papunta tayo sa friendship mo with David Licao.
Oh, Barbie to David, payaman ka muna. Ay, ano to? Ay, happy talaga siya. She chose to be happy. She chose it.
Announce. Pwede ko bang i-announce na? Pero meron na, may date na kami.
Ito, may date na ka. Di ba? Bakit pa ito
May date
gagawin
kami
joke?
ni David.
Nino, sino ba yung ginujoke sa'yo at bakit ka mag-joke ng ganyan? Di ba mga ganyan pahapyaw? Tigilan niyo nga ako. Iba yung sinasabi mo pagdating sa interview. Pero pag yung totoong ikaw na talaga sa sarili mo na walang ibang camera kundi ikaw lang yung nagsasalita, iba din yung sinasabi mo. But I don't want that sounds toxic. Let it be. Let Barbie happy. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya, Barbie. Atake.
Natatawa ka, Aromel, ha?
Atake siya, oh.
May date na yung premiere night.
Kailan ba yung premiere night?
Kayong ano dyan.
Meron din about revenge sa series yun. Sa real life, what's your take on revenge?
Ugit lang, napanood na natin yan.
Mapunta tayo sa friendship mo with David.
Ay, oo, napanood na natin yan.
Ikaw na naman. Sino ka ba?
Me watching Lovely Runner in a day. Cutie! Cutie ni Barbie dito. Ay, what's this? Sunday Blessed.
Nabibigyan lang ako ng pagkakataon ulit na bumalik sa past ko.
Ay, what's this? Ay, si Barbie!
Tama ni Barbie ang kanyang past. Sana all
Ay, itatama ni Barbie ang kanyang... Okay, anong project to? Ay, ang gwapo ng lalaki.
Messenger/photocopier sa susunod, titingin ka sa dinadaanan mo.
Ay, taray, si Lois. Sino yung lalaki? Ang gwapo naman ng lalaki.
presents My Birthday Wish, Sunday, 4:35.
Ang gwapo ng lalaki, ha?
When you binge watch drama overnight,
Ito. Sino na naman to? Yung hanggol kasi ni Barbie. Yung hanggol ni Barbie. Yung hanggol ni Barbie, inaatake nila. Anyways, there you go guys. That's all for today's video. Our Barda compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!